some questions and we interviewed two teachers. First teacher, Ma'am Mary Grace Butter, and the second is Ma'am Merly E. Diaz. Hello, Ma'am Grace. My question is, do you have any idea the use of ICT in assessing student learning?
In today's digital era, ICT has become vital in the assessment of learning. With ICT, both the teachers and the learners makes things more convenient and easy.
Hello, Ma'am Grace. How does ICT change the way we assess student learning?
ICT makes assessment interactive and more efficient. It allows more interactive assessments like online quizzes and interactive activities or games, making learning more engaging and also enabling us teachers to track the students' progress more efficient.
Hi, Ma'am Grace. Good evening. My question for you is, what is the benefits of using ICT in assessing learning?
Basically, it saves time for teachers. It also provides us immediate feedback, and likewise, it helps students learn at their own pace and make the learning fun with cool activities online.
Good day, Ma'am Grace. Can you give example of ICT tools used in assignment?
Yes, sure. One example that I usually use in assessing my learners is the educational games or the interactive games that assess the skills of my learners, particularly in reading and mathematics activity. So another example which is very applicable also in young learners is the interactive online quizzes.
Hello, Ma'am Grace. My question is, what are some challenges of using ICT in assessment?
Based on experience, challenges of using ICT in assessment includes issues like access to technology, especially if the resources is not available in the classroom. And another thing that I usually encounter is some glitches. Sometimes we encounter technical glitches. But overall, ICT makes assessment more engaging and more effective in promoting student learning. That would be all. Thank you so much, Teacher Grace.
Hello, Ma'am Merly. My question is, do you have any idea about the use of ICT in assessing student learning?
ICT helps the teachers storing and recording information about how learners develop and understand new materials. We can use digital tools for conducting assessment or related activities. The students' responses can be recorded easily and we can send feedback online. So in other words, it can help teachers to track and assess the improvement and performance of our students.
Thank you very much, Ma'am.